About fire insurance. For rental properties, fire insurance is something that is required upon signing a lease, and the choice of insurance company is generally optional. Most policyholders probably have the mindset of wanting to join the least expensive type of fire insurance possible. However, in the case of cheaper options, the coverage amount is naturally lower, and the covered range is limited. If a fire were to start in the room you are renting, wouldn't the coverage amount likely be insufficient? Most people probably don't consider the possibility of a fire starting in their own place. They might think that as long as they don't smoke and are careful with flames, a fire won't occur. However, not all fires are directly caused by flames. For example, electrical fires can result from damaged appliance cables, battery ignition while charging, or equipment fires due to deterioration. Concentrated fires, like those where a plastic bottle acts as a lens and can cause a fire by being placed in direct sunlight, are also possible. You need to consider the possibility of fires starting from places you are not actively aware of. If you accidentally cause a fire, liability due to causing the fire is exempt under the Act on Civil Liabilities for Accidental Fires. This means there are no criminal penalties, which appears to be a long-standing tradition given the prevalence of wooden homes in Japan. However, just because there is no criminal liability doesn't mean all responsibility is waived. This is important, so please remember it. Landlords might lose their buildings, and neighbors' belongings could be ruined by water from firefighting efforts. Do you think such damages can simply be overlooked? Such damages need to be properly compensated through civil proceedings. Without this, the people who incurred damages would not be satisfied. This is where the importance of fire insurance lies. You can imagine the large amount of financial damage a single fire could cause. As a standard, our company has tenants sign up for fire insurance with a coverage amount of 20 million yen for studio apartment class properties. I believe that, because many real estate companies serve as agents for fire insurance, it might be personally advisable to let the real estate company handle it. This is because, in case of emergencies, the real estate company acting as the agent can handle the procedures on your behalf.